Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Cloud editing means multiple users edit the same document in real time. You need a central server, client apps, and a synchronization protocol. Choose WebSocket or WebRTC for live updates and low latency. Implement conflict resolution with operational transformation or CRDT algorithms. Prepare authentication, access control, and audit logging for compliance. Use a database optimized for JSON like DocumentDB or PostgreSQL. Consider bandwidth. Aim for updates under 5 seconds round trip. Test with at least 50 concurrent users to validate performance and scale. Start by designing a real-time syncing layer with OT or CRDT. Build an API server that authorizes changes and broadcasts diffs. Use WebSocket channels per document for efficient push updates. Serialize edits as small operations to minimize bandwidth and conflicts. Store version history and snapshots to enable undo and recovery. Add client-side buffering to coalesce edits every 200 to 500 milliseconds. Implement optimistic UI so edits feel instant while syncing in background. Monitor metrics like latency, error rate, and 99.9% availability. Deploy servers across regions to reduce latency for global collaborators. Use CDN for static assets and edge caching of document snapshots. Encrypt data at rest and in-transit with AES 256 and TLS1. 3. Apply role-based access control and minimal privilege for each user. Run automated tests, chaos experiments, and deploy via CI/CD pipelines. Scale horizontally and auto-scale when concurrent users exceed capacity thresholds. Backup daily with incremental snapshots and keep 30 days of retention. Train users on conflict workflows and provide in-app recovery tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.